Yo, guys, welcome to this amazing video. I've been waiting a long time to release this video because I've received numerous requests from close friends, family, and people like you. Yep, I'm talking about MyCoin Auction. It's a brand new platform gaining a lot of momentum. As of now, there's about 164,350 members, and this platform was released around April. So the platform is gaining momentum and it's making people a lot of money, and I want you guys to take your share. All right. So now, what are my coins and how much is a coin? My coin is actually a virtual coin, all right? And each coin equals to 1 rand, and the price will always remain the same. It will not change according to the website. Next. Now, how does it gain value? So basically, every time there's a transaction, you gain 20% in 5 days. You get it? So when money moves from one pocket to another, it gains 20% value in a period of 5 days. So, example, you can see here you got three different investment options. You get the 5-day, the 10-day, and the 20-day, and you can see the profit. So the 20-day gain gives you 110%, and this is exactly true. 110% on your investment. Okay, so if you got, for example, 500 rands, so you buy 500 coins, you're gonna have 1,050 rands in 20 days. If you buy for 500 and you decide to go for 10 days, then you're going to gain 225 rands on top of your 500. You're going to have 725 rands in 10 days. So this platform is really good. Now, you're only allowed one bid a day, only one bid per day. And eventually they'll allow you to do more bids, but they're just observing your behavior on the platform, how much you buy and how much you sell. That can allow you to do more. But also another very important thing, you guys are only allowed to have one single account. Do not attempt to create multiple accounts, because these guys are very serious and they're gonna block you. All right, so now how do you join? Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to join. You must join. You must be sponsored to join. So you cannot just join. You must have, somebody must have brought you to the program. And that's the reason why I'm here, guys. And so I'm going to walk you guys through the process of registration, and you're going to see exactly how to register and what sponsor ID that you guys should use. Now, and if you guys use my sponsor ID, which I advise you guys to do, then you can be free to ask me any question. But make sure every time you ask me a question to put your own sponsor ID so that I know exactly who you are. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, guys, so the registration is pretty straightforward. You open up your favorite browser, and in the URL, you write mycoin.live, and then you just wait depending on the speed of your connection. All right, once you have this view, you click on sign up, and over here you select a username. So for example, James China, whatever. And then the mobile number is very important. Make sure you use your WhatsApp number or just any number that you have access to. All right. But always remember, they're asking you to start the number with a +27, denoting that you are in South Africa. All right. So you say +27. And if your number begins with 065, you don't write that 0. So just start off with 65. If it's 082, then you just write 82 and you continue from there. So for me, I'll have 65 as an example, blah, 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 blah. But I remember I already have an account and I do not want to create another account. So I'm not going to click on sign up. Anyways, on the password, make sure you select a password that you will remember. Okay, so blah 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 blah. Very good password. Make sure you've got about 8 characters. It's very secured. Then on the sponsor ID, this is the most important part, guys. Keep your eyes open. You write 105359. On the sponsor ID, guys, make sure that you write 10 105359. Okay, so you write 105359 and then you hit on sign up. After you hit on sign up, it's going to ask you to enter an OTP which will be sent to your mobile phone. Once you enter that OTP, you'll be redirected to the sign in page, or rather login. Let me show you the page. So where you'll now put your username and the password which you just came from creating, and then you click on login. All right. Okay guys, so as soon as you hit that login button, this is what you're going to see. There's always a system notification which is very important for you to read, in this case COVID-19. But anyways, after reading all that, you click on got it and you confirm. So now you see your dashboard. It's a welcome message. Welcome to MyCoin Auction. And here you can see my names and also the bid income that I have. Obviously this one is just representing the bid which I did on the 31st of July. It was 2,000 rands which I paid for 2,000 coins, and this is how much money I will have. And right now, if I try to sell this bid, you see I'm trying to sell 4,200 coins. But let me click on that. It will say you are about to place 4,200 coins on auction. And then they say available after 21st August. So basically, guys, I've just showed you how to put your coins on auction. And that's all you do, right? You just click sell the coins. And then if the dates are correct, your coins would be on auction. People buy them and you get money in your account. Anyways. So let's go back to the dashboard. So what you see here is your bid income. This is how much money you expected to make from your bids. And also, we'll talk about that another time. This here is my sponsor ID. So basically, guys, this is what you need to use in order to register. Over here, next auction entries. So there'll be another auction in a few hours, which is 13 hours and 24 minutes. There'll be an auction that is tomorrow at exactly 9 o'clock. Okay, so here you can see daily auction times. There's one auction that takes place at 9 a.m. and one at 7 p.m. These are people like you and myself putting our coins out there on auction. And I'm telling you guys, these coins finish in no time, like 4 minutes, 4 million coins gone. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 million coins gone. That's how much that's how fast the coins sell out. So you gotta be very fast. And I'm giving you guys a tip. Always make sure you logged on 10 minutes or 20 minutes before the actual auction, because the system gets flooded. So many people are trying to buy and sell. It is so much that the system gets flooded, it gets overcrowded, and then it starts preventing you from actually getting onto the system. You see, I experienced that same issue 36 minutes ago, right? I wanted to record a live video for you guys, but then I had an issue 36 minutes ago. I failed to log on to the system because there were just so many people. All right. And by the way, the guys are busy working really hard to upgrade their servers. So in a few months from today, well, everything will be fine. I think the system will be able to support a couple of million of users. Anyways, coming back to the dashboard, you can see over here you got your action or the auction menu. Before we go to the auction menu, guys, make sure you click on the banking details. Right now, I am not going to expose my banking details, but basically they'll ask you what bank account do you use. You select your bank. If it's FNB, Capitec, you enter your bank account number, the branch code, and all that information you guys have, and basically you just save. That information will be used when somebody buys, the person that buys your coins, they will use that information to send money through to you. All right, guys, so provide the right details. Make sure you provide the right details. Now on the auction menu, we have the view auctions. So let's see if there are any auctions. All right, guys, so there are no auctions, but I do have a screen recording of the auctions which were available, and I'm gonna put that in for you guys. All right, guys, so I'm actually on the system right now. I've been struggling to get on the system because there are so many people trading, or rather wanting to get onto the system, and there are even more on the system right now busy bidding. So I've been trying for the last 4 minutes, and by this time I know that all the coins have already been bought. But anyway, I'm going to take advantage of this time. You can see it's already 4 minutes past 7, meaning 7 p.m. obviously, meaning that the auction all the coins are probably all gone. But anyways, once you're on the auction, right, once you're on the system, you go to view auctions, right? So what you see here is what is your bid range amount. So you can go from 100 to 1,000, and you can go from 1,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 10,000, and 10,000 to 15,000. Remember, I said you are only limited to 15,000 per day, so you cannot bid more than 15,000 in a day. So guys, you have to be patient. You bid your 15,000 today, you bid your 15,000 the next day. All right, so let's see. So if I'm gonna click here on the 100 to 1,000, it might take a lot of time due to the huge number of traffic on their website. So it does take a lot of time. I might even have to fast forward. Damn, I've been kicked out.
2,000 years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, a few moments later, one eternity later.
Hey guys, welcome to this amazing another episode. So today I'm actually going to try my best to show you guys how to place a bid. So the time now is 6:55 p.m. and I'm very excited. Very excited. So I'm going to start off by clicking on got it, but you can see there's an important announcement here. MyCoin Auction has reached 166,000 members, and guys, they are so excited. Right now they are looking to the mark of 500,000 members, and they're also saying something about the support team. You know, they say that they're under training, and we expect to have the team working by end of next week. Another announcement here, they're saying that initially on the 1st of August they were supposed to start auctioning coins from only 300 coins upwards, but I think this decision has been reversed. So they're saying that this has been stopped as we see a higher demand for coins. We will continue to auction coins from as little as 100 coins, guys. So meaning, guys, you can join for just 100 coins. That can be your first one, guys. You put 100 coins for 5 days, you put 100 coins for 10 days, or 100 coins for 20 days. Also saying that we have moved the display of phone numbers from 48 to 24 hours. We'll continue to monitor the effects and make adjustments accordingly. Our engineers worked very hard in the month of July to ensure that our system performs better during high traffic times. Alright, so anyways, I've also been looking forward to the improvement in the traffic, man. Come on, it's been hectic. I showed you guys earlier, or rather we'll show you later, how I got kicked out, and I always got kicked out when I started late. But anyways, I'm going to click on got it. I'm going to confirm, and I'm going to wait. Now guys, there's the auction. Let's see if it's currently on. So the auction is not currently on. Usually the auction will start like 2 minutes before the actual opening time. So guys, you must always be on earlier, and people know this. That's why they're able to actually buy more or bid more. So guys, you must know 2 minutes before. Usually the auction will be open 2 minutes before 7, 2 minutes before 9, and there are 2 other times that are very secretive, and I'm only going to share those 2 times with the guys that are going to subscribe to my channel, the guys that are going to follow me. So if you subscribe to my channel, I want you to write your sponsor ID so that other people can actually join using your ID. All right, and we're going to talk about the affiliate program later on, because I want you guys to actually be making a passive income without even having to invest your own money.
guys. So I'm going to talk about that in another video. But for now, I want, okay, now it's a 6:58, so 2 minutes. Let me check the auction menu. So I'm going to click here on auction menu, then I'm going to click view auction. And guys, it's already started. You see? Now, look at this. What is your bid range? You can bid from 100 to 1,000 coins. What is your bid range? 1,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 15,000. And guys, you are only limited to 15,000 bids per day. All right, or 15,000 worth of a bid per day. Let me say that. All right, so let's say you wanted to invest, maybe say 2,000. Maybe you wanted to buy 2,000. Or let's go lower. All right, so you guys wanted to start off with 500. All right, so what you do, you click over here. And guys, what you are seeing right now, you see this is lot 11118, right? So these are people like you and I. These are people selling coins. So guys, when you want to sell your coins will appear as a lot. All right, so this could be you right now selling 350 coins. All right, this could be you selling 413 coins. So what you guys do, you must be really fast. All right, you must be super fast, because there are thousands of people that are going to be looking at these bids. So guys, what you do, you select the day you want to invest for 5 days, 10 days, or 20 days. So let's say you want to go for 20 days because you're looking for 110%. All right, and now this person is selling 360 coins. So what you do, you write here 360 coins. All right, unfortunately I don't see anyone bidding 500. Oh, there's a 500. So let's go up here. So guys, look at that. I'm gonna go 20 days. I'm gonna write 500, and then I'm gonna bid. Look at that. Are you sure you want to place bid? Be sure to make payment within 24 hours. Guys, I'm not going to take the bid of 500. I'm not going to do that right now. But guys, as soon as you click OK, you're going to be presented with a screen where you're going to see the person selling. You'll see their banking details, and I'm going to show you guys on the screen what that looks like. So you're going to see their banking details, and then you're going to go deposit the money, and then there's an option for you to upload proof of payment, or rather POP. And then you can also contact the person you are buying from. Once the money reflects in the bank account, like you will see right now on your screen, then guys, you know that your bid has gone through. The person will have to then approve your payment, and once they've approved your payment, you're going to see those coins reflect on your dashboard. All right guys, let me go out. Let me go to, so actually now it's 7 p.m. so the bid has started. It's all began, and I'm sure right now everything, like maybe 30% is already gone. Guys, I'm telling you right now, 45% is gone. Right now 60% is gone. Guys, I'm telling you, within the next 4 minutes, all the coins will be gone. So guys, be sure to be really fast. Let me go back to the dashboard. I want to see how many coins are left. You see, it's already how much? 182,000 coins left. All right guys, and I'm actually going to see how many coins there were to begin with. Now let me go back to the auction. I go back to the auction, or rather, let me see. See, it's already taking long because there's a lot of people on the system right now, so it's gonna take really long. I might even have to fast forward. Let me see. Guys, do not question the system. This thing really works. I've got multiple transactions in my bank account. You see guys, I've been kicked out. This means so many people are already bidding. Guys, listen. Always make sure you are there and start your bid 2 minutes before. Start your bid 2 minutes before. Right now it's only 2 minutes past, and the system is flooded. Right, the system is flooded, and at this time I will not be able to bid anything until tomorrow morning, or the secret time, which you guys have to obviously use my sponsor code and subscribe to my channel before I can share that with you guys. All right, this was a great video guys. I hope you guys learned a lot and enjoy buying, or rather enjoy bidding. All right, just peace out.